Unlocking the secrets of healthy eating. Nutrition Guidelines Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a vital topic that affects all of us: nutrition guidelines. These guidelines are essential tools to help us make informed choices about what we eat and drink for better health. Whether you're a beginner in English or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will shed light on what nutrition guidelines mean and why they're important for everyone. Nutrition guidelines are sets of recommendations developed by health professionals and organizations. They offer advice on what kinds of foods and drinks to consume, and in what quantities, to maintain a healthy lifestyle. These guidelines are based on scientific research and aim to promote overall health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, and support maintaining a healthy weight. Understanding and following nutrition guidelines is crucial for several reasons. First, they help ensure that we get the essential nutrients our bodies need to function properly, including vitamins, minerals, proteins, and more. Secondly, they play a significant role in preventing obesity and chronic diseases by recommending balanced diets and physical activity. Finally, they guide us in making healthier food choices, which can lead to improved well-being and quality of life. Most nutrition guidelines share common elements, though specific recommendations may vary by country or organization. Here are some key components. Eat a variety of foods. Emphasizes the importance of consuming different types of foods to get a wide range of nutrients. Balance calories. Guides on how to manage calorie intake to avoid weight gain. Limit certain foods. Advises on reducing the consumption of added sugars, salt, and saturated fats. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Highlights these foods as essential parts of a healthy diet. 1. Read food labels. Understand what's in your food and choose options that align with the guidelines. 2. Plan balanced meals. Use the guidelines to create meals that incorporate a variety of nutrients. 3. Be mindful of portion sizes. Keep an eye on the amount of food you eat at each meal. Thank you for watching our video on nutrition guidelines. Remember, these guidelines are designed to help you make healthier choices and improve your overall well-being. We hope this explanation has been helpful and that you feel more confident in understanding and applying nutrition guidelines to your daily life. Stay healthy and see you in our next video.